Understanding the phrase, eat crow. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English idiom, eat crow. This phrase has a unique history and meaning, and understanding it can add a fun twist to your English conversations. So, let's get started. Eat crow is an American idiom that means to admit you were wrong after taking a strong position. It's often used when someone has to admit their mistake in a rather humiliating or embarrassing way. The phrase paints a picture of having to do something unpleasant or humbling as a result of being proven wrong. The exact origin of eat crow is a bit murky, but it's believed to have originated in the 19th century. One popular story involves a hunting incident where someone was tricked into eating a crow. Regardless of its true origin, the phrase reflects the idea that eating a crow would be an unpleasant experience, much like admitting one's mistakes. 1. Acknowledging a mistake. I thought I was right about the game rules, but I had to eat crow when I saw the rule book. 2. In a professional context, after the meeting, the manager had to eat crow for dismissing the new proposal too quickly. 3. With friends and family. I bragged about beating my brother in chess, but I ate crow when he won 3 times in a row. Remember, using this phrase adds a colorful and slightly humorous element to admitting a mistake. Swallow one's pride. This is a more general phrase for accepting humiliation. Bite the bullet. While this means to endure a painful situation, it can sometimes overlap in meaning. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, eat crow. We hope you found it enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, making mistakes is human, but admitting them is a mark of wisdom. See you in our next video, and keep practicing your English.